Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from. Sorry, you already know my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop the video, you'll be the first person to watch my video. You already know what we do. Yesterday we analysis market did not trigger some, but I think market trigger one pair, commodity, one pair, which is US 30. Yeah, I think market trigger it, but market did not trigger it in my MT5 and my brokerage, live account. So what we are doing today, you already know what we do today. This is what I and yesterday. If you notice yesterday, market did not move. Market did not move due to the war that is happening. USA, Iran, and those wars that is happening. You see that market did not move as we analyzed yesterday. Market is just creating liquidity. So let's just enter the market. Let's see what market is trying to do. But I pray that market is going to move today, Sha. Maybe I think I think there's US news today. US news today. See, let's see, maybe that news is going to boost the market because with what you can see what Iran is doing. Iran is trying to attack the Middle East of the Middle East of the continent. So uh definitely it's affecting the market. You can see the petrol, definitely the petrol rise up. Yeah, straight away. So let's just enter let's enter the charts. Let's see what market has for us. But before you enter the charts, I want to beg you all, since my video just pump up into your screen, kindly please watch the video and see, and you can see one or two things that you will get one or two things to learn from. And for my subscriber, I really appreciate, and kindly don't forget to be sharing the link, and to continue support your boy. So let's see what is happening. Let's see what's happening in the chat. So this is fundamental analysis. Let's see what is happening. What day there is US news today. Maybe there is US news today. This is today's Thursday, Friday, March. You already know we enter our Forex factory. That's our first thing we do. If you want to analyze the market to see maybe there is news or there is no news today, and if you see there is USD news around 2:30 unemployment claims. Maybe let's see what the news said, the effects of the news. They say actual less than the forecast is good for the currency. So if the news we are expecting is less than the forecast, if the USC news unemployment claim, if their news is less than the forecast, definitely is good for their currency. So the USD will be in bullish. So this is what we are having on the news around 2:30. As I used to say, before the news, maybe 15 minutes before the news, we stay away for the market. If your trade is on, you will close your trade. Maybe you are in profit or you are in loss. So after the news, maybe 15 minutes after the news, or 30 minutes after the news, when the news have swept the liquidity, and you have seen that the news have swept the liquidity, definitely you are going to join the market and continue the trend. News does not create trend. News just follow the trend. What news do is give us volatility, sweep the liquidity, and and continue the trend. That is what the news does for us. Seriously, let's just, since we have seen our fundamentalist, that we have news around 2:30. So just be focused. Just be focused. Let's just move into the chart. Let's see what the chart is doing for us. Let's see what the chart has for us. Yep. Let's see what the chart has for us. This is our trading view. Let's see. You already know we started our analysis from gold. That is, our analysis is from gold. What gold is doing. After gold, silver. After silver, US 30. US 30 means 30 company in the USA. That's why they call it US 30. There are 30 company that they are controlling the market. Yeah, they match together to control the market. So if you are buying from the market, definitely you are buying shares. If you are selling from the market, definitely you are selling shares. So let's see what gold has for us. People, some investors are not they are not running into the good. You know, the before when there is when before when war when any maybe there is war like this, some investor used to run into the gold. They used to invest into the gold. But now when Iran interfere with they are attacking the Middle East. So US oil is going bullish. So investors are what are investing in US oil, since US is getting what is getting strength. And you can see Iran attack Saudi Arabia refinery. So that's why investors are investing in US oil. So that's why the US is getting bullish. But yesterday the market does not have strength yesterday. But let's see, maybe the market is going to have strength today because there is US news today. And this is what we started from daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our daily time frame, and you can see on daily time frame, what do we do? We just plotted our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high here, this is our swing low here, and you can see what the market is doing. Market is in what is in what is in the between is in between the what the swing high and the swing low. But as for me, on this daily time frame, we are having liquidity here, we are having FEG here, in which market has mitigated it. But as for me, due to what is happening, but as for me, the market is what is bullish. If we can see break of structure on this swing high, on this swing high, definitely we are continuing the bullish. But as for now, the market this is internal structure. The market is in bullish. Let's just see what is happening. Let's move to 4 hours time frame to continue the trend. This is 4 hours time frame. After the market mitigated the FEG on daily time frame, market is trying to give us the bullish, but market has not created opportunity for us to see. We are still buying. You can see what market is doing on 4 hours time frame. Market is just creating liquidity on 4 hours time frame. Since we do not see any opportunity on 4 hour time frame, let's move to 1 hour time frame. We will see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see this is the on 4 hours time frame. This is the recent trend line. This is the downtrend. You can see this is the last break of structure to downtrend, and this is where the seller enter. This is where the seller enter. We no know, maybe if the buyer if the buyer buy to this place, maybe the seller is going to push the market down. But as for now, the market is this is FEG that's trying to push the market up. Let's just move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the recent break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and this is the other block. This is the other block, and you can see the other block. The other block has FEG. Definitely, we are saying the market is selling, but the opportunity we can say that the market is buying is that if we see change of character, if you see change of character on 1 hour time frame, the market will start buying. But as for now, let's just follow the trend. This is what the market is trying, because the reason why you should be careful is that you can see on that FEG is from daily time frame, is from key level, is from higher time frame, and you can and as you used to see, higher time frame is the one that is controlling the market. Those lower time frame just analyzing and just take the entry, while the higher time frame is the one that's controlling the market. And you can see on 1 hour time frame, this is our recent FEG, this is our recent break of structure, and we have FEG. If market can mitigate this FEG, continue to sell. But if this FEG can just sell the market, if you see break of structure, definitely we are what we are buying. But as for now, this is the trend the market is telling us. We guys be patient on this trade. If we want to take this trade, let the market, on 1 hour time frame, you guys move to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. If you move to 15-minute time frame, if we see change of character on 15-minute time frame, if you see market created change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely the sell is valid. But if market does not create change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely we are buying. we are buying. But as for now, this is what the market is telling us. This is what the market is telling us. Let's just follow what the market. Let's be patient and just follow what the market is telling us. Let's now move to Silver USD, SAGUSD, which is Silver USD. This is silver also. You can, gold and silver, they move in the same direction. So we do not have time to be disturbing ourselves. If you are buying gold, we are buying silver also. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this our what? This our swing low. This is what the market is doing. And if you can see on, we are having, this is the last break of structure on daily time frame, and this is what change of character, and this is the FEG market mitigated. Seriously, this is the FEG market mitigated. This is the FEG market mitigated. After market mitigated this FEG, let's move to 4 hours. This is what 4 hours is trying to tell us. This is what 4 hours is trying to tell us. This is the last break of structure, and let's see what the market is trying to do. But as for me, we are still, the market is telling us buy. But the reason why market can come back is because there's FEG here. They say on 4 hours there's FEG where market can come back continue doing. But this market what is uptrend. Since we do not see it, but this is the last break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is 1 hour time. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and this is where the market mitigated. You can see after market mitigated it, but it came back to this key level, the key level trying to push it up. But what market is doing that this other block what is not trigger, this our entry yesterday did not trigger it. So let's just wait. If we see change of character, definitely we are buying. Let's move to 15 minute time. Let's see what 15 minute time frame is trying to tell us. This is 15 minute time. This is 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. As for me, this is the last record structure. This is what, but market is trigger is maybe market mitigated it, but not trigger it, take us in. And market came back to this phase. So let's just see what the market is doing. Let's just read 15 minutes. This is the last break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure. This is what, this is change of character. This is change of character. Are you seeing the change of character? This is change of character, and this is what, this is the FPG market mitigated. After market mitigated this FEG, market continuing downtrend. So let's wait. Let's wait. Don't let us force ourselves into the market. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying. The higher time frame, the day time frame is telling us uptrend. So the 1 hour time frame, the analysis time frame is telling us downtrend. So before we can take this uptrend, we gotta see break of structure, we gotta see change of character here. If we see change of character here, definitely the uptrend is what is valid. But as for now, we are still following this recent trend. This is what recent trend is telling us. Recent trend is telling us downtrend. We are still in downtrend. So let's just follow our downtrend. On 15 minute time frame, this is what the market is created on 15 minute time frame. Sorry for that. We are having break of structure here. We are having change of character here. And we are having other block here. And we are having what's change of character here. We are having break of structure here. So this is what we are having. We haven't said here. I think we are on good also. We haven't said. This is what we are having. This is what we are having. So let's just see what is happening. This is this is what we are having. If market can trigger this place, this shows the same. This is what we are having. Or Steva, if market can trigger this, give us the same. Now this is what we are. This is what we are having. This is what I'm saying. I follow the trend. We follow our process. We do not predict the market. This is what the market prints for us, and this is what we react to seriously. Before we can take the buy, is when the market break the 1 hour structure. This 1 hour other block. When the market break it, definitely we are taking the buy. But as for now, this is what the market is giving us. This is what the market is giving us. So let's follow this trend. Let's see what is happening on US 30. On US 30, this is what is happening from daily time frame. From daily time frame, let me just say from daily time frame, but let's just read this market again. Hey, I'm sorry, I forgot not putting that in because if I want to do it tomorrow on Saturday, this is what is happening. You can see this is our swing low, this is our swing high. So market has tried to push it down. But all these ones, on daily time frame, you can see this is another break of short, previous break of short here. So market has not made there is FEG here. I'm saying market is coming to meet, and on daily time frame, what we are having here, we are having FEG here. I can see the FEG over here. This is FEG for me. In which there is what there is opponent or there is opportunity over there. This is the FEG, is the FEG, in which there is opportunity over here. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. I'm coming. Let's see what's happening. So US 30, let's see what US 30 is trying to tell us. Because what US 30 is trying to tell me, let me just see. Let's follow the time frame. On daily time frame, we are having FEG. These are FEG, and these are the last supply that give us what that give us this bearish, and this is the FEG. Also, I can say this is the other block here. This is the supply here. This is the supply. This is the way the buyer enter. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. You can see. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. This is where we are gonna use the Fibonacci to here. Market is still coming up. You can see market is still coming up. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. This is the FEG. This is the market we took yesterday on Monday. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. So let's say we are taking our trend from here because this is the wall, this is the key level, but market is just respecting this 4 hours. 4 hours was 4 hours other block. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to do. Tell us. This is 1 hour. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is other block. This is what this is the other block here. So I'm expecting the sell from here. This supply zone. I'm expecting the sell from here. This will serve as liquidity. This is the FEG. Daily FEG. So this will serve as liquidity. So let's see what 1 hour is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the other block market expected. After market expected this other block. Swept the liquidity. After market swept the liquidity, market give us downtrend. But what market is trying to do, market is trying to give us uptrend. This is the 4 hours order block. Let's see maybe this 4 hours order block is going to hold the market or not. 4 hours order block. Let's see if it's trying to hold the market. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time. You can see the 4 hours. You can see the 4 hours order block. So if we want to take this sell, I think we took this sell yesterday, but the sell is still giving us headache. Let's move to 1 hour. To take this sell is just this is what is happening. This is break of structure. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here, and this is where the market mitigated this. So let's just see if we see this is where we are selling the market seriously. This is the supply zone we are selling the market. As for me, this is the supply zone we are selling the market. Let's just follow the trend. Let's follow what the trend is trying to tell us. Let's see maybe the Chelsea. If you see break of short, if you see the market break this, it will here it return to breaker block, retest and mitigated this supply and continue the downtrend. But for now, this is what the market is trying to. Let's see. But if you want to take this buy, if you want to take this sell, market must break this structure, must break this place, must break it before you can take the buy. Before you can take the sell. Market must take this 15 minutes higher low. If market take this 15 minutes higher low with full body, can definitely transform to what change of character. You are taking sell. So let's move to GU. This is what is happening on GU. From daily time frame, you can see this is our swing high, this is our swing low. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low. But you can see this is the correctional movement. So where to take the buy is just we should focus on where to take the buy. If you want to take this buy, but this I'm expecting this place. This is serve as liquidity. I'm expecting because all these places has already mitigated. This place has already. It's only this one that I still have opportunity to take the buy. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame tells us. This is 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving. This is what the market is trying to give us. Let's just wait and see if the market mitigate this other block and continue the uptrend. This way we are buying the market. And if we can see what is market is trying to do on 4 hours, this is the last order block on 4 hours, and market has not came back to this. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This 1 hour time frame, this is what the market is trying to do. But we are buying from here. This is the last break of structure on 50-minute time frame. This was 15 minute time frame. Telling us this is the last break of structure here. This is where the market is. After market mitigated this phase, continue to give us uptrend. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is. What this is where we are. This is where we are buying on GU. We are buying from here, and this is the recent trend on 4 hours time frame. This is the recent trend on 4 hour time frame. Downtrend, and this is what this other block. If the market can mitigate this, I think market has mitigated it. You can see market has mitigated it and trying to give us what? Trying to give us bullish, bearish. Sorry. If market touch this place, we are buying from this other block here. This way we are buying the market. We are buying the market from here. This is the recent, this is the trend. Let's just follow the market. We did not chase the market. We follow our process. That is the rules. That's the rules. Let's just see if the market is going to respect this and continue the uptrend. But let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is trying to tell us also. From daily time frame, this is our what swing high. This is our what swing low. This is the what the market is trying to do. You can see market has reduced liquidity, came back here. This I started giving market has reduced liquidity. You can see this week candle. It has stretched the liquidity. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see where the opportunity is on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the last break of structure of 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. You can see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us uptrend also. Because this is the break of structure. Market this is the another break of structure. Market and continue to give us bullish. To take this trade, let's just move to, let's see, this is where the market is. And let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's see what 55-minute time frame is trying to tell us. This is the last break of structure. This is what the market is trying to tell us. Market is coming back here because there's FED here. Continue the uptrend. This is the last break of structure. 15-minute time frame. You can see the last break of structure. After I went to get the other block, this is last break of structure. After market give us change of character, and this is where the market is. This is an opportunity for us to take the trade. All these ones have as liquidity. This opportunity we are taking the trade in. On GU also, that is the same opportunity we see on GU. This is where the market, this is last break control, this is where the market is. So let's take EU. This is what's happening on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. We are seeing up this is the recent trend. This is what this is the other block. Which minute time frame. This is this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure of 50 minute time frame. And this is where the buyer enter. This is our entry. This is our entry. Let's see what is happening. And this is our entry. Let's see if it's going to play out. Let's see UJ. Let's see what UJ is trying to give us. From daily time frame, this is what UJ is trying to give us. This is our swing high. This is our swing high. And this is our swing low. You can see market is in between. But this is where I'm seeing the opportunity from daily time frame. You can see this is large reconstruction. And this will have as liquidity for me because this is the supply zone I'm expecting the market to give us bearish. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours time frame. You can see we are in uptrend. This is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is another block, eh? I can see what the market is trying to do. I can say this is the last break of structure, but this is what we are seeing on the market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the real trend. This is 1 hour this is 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure here. And this other block here. So let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's see what 50-minute time frame is trying to tell us. This 50-minute time frame, this is what this is change of character on 50-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is change of character of 50-minute time frame. Now see the change of character of 50-minute time frame. So market is coming back here. Change of character that block. You can see change of character was other block. We are selling here. This is where we are selling the market. We are selling the market. This is where we are selling the market. I'm still selling. We are still selling the market here. Seriously, because you can see what the market is giving us. This change of Canada, this job, we are selling. We are still selling the market here. This is the last break of short training. We are still selling the market. Let's say our take profit should be here. Yeah. So our take profit should be here. These are our take profits here. This is what we am seeing on what on USD. USDJPY. Let's move with GJ. GBPJPY. Let's see what's happening on daily time frame. You can see this is our swing low. This is our swing. The market is the what is in between the both swing high and swing low. But we are seeing uptrend. Seriously, this is the last break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure to down, and this is the change of character. And this change of character is giving us this is the FEG. So I'm expecting the buyer from here. This is where I'm expecting the buyer. Seriously, this will serve as liquidity. It's because it's going to push it up. This will serve as liquidity. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is what 1 hour is trying to tell is $10. All these serve as liquidity as for me. So let's see if the market is coming back here and continue the uptrend. So let's see 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we can do 15-minute time frame. Let's just follow our process. This is our process. This way we are buying. We are buying from here. Oh, so this is where we are buying. We are buying from we are buying from sorry for that. So we are buying from there. This is what is happening. So let's just wait for the market to mitigate this place and continue the buy. So let's see if the market can sell the markets to this before we can buy from here. So this is what the market is giving us before we can buy from here. So let's wait for the market. Let's see what is happening or what's on crypto. On crypto. my mind is changing back. So I feel like but let's see what is happening on crypto. This is what's happening on crypto seriously. And you can see this is our supply. This is where the seller enter. And these are swing low and these are swing high. You can see all these are liquidity. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening 4 hours. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. This serves as liquidity for me because there's FEG here. Because this is the low. This is the higher low that give us this higher high. You can see this is the high. Market break will give us higher high. And this is the low. This is the low. After this low, market give us lower higher low. So this is the higher high. So I'm expecting the market to come back to that FEG before you can see the buy. Because this serves as liquidity for me. This is what I'm seeing on BTC. I see CV buying on BTC, but they don't know what the market is doing. On 1 hour time frame, we are seeing break of structure here. In 1 hour time frame, we are seeing break of structure, but market is expected this break of structure. Seriously. Let's move to Ethereum. On Ethereum, this is what we are seeing on Ethereum. This is the last break of structure on Ethereum. And this is FEG here. This is liquidity here. So this is what I'm expecting on Ethereum also. I'm expecting the buy from here. But let's see what 1 hour is trying to give us. This is 1 hour. This is an this is this is an opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Same opportunity that show on what on 50 on BTC also. This is this is what we are having. We are having buy from here. Let's see what the buy is trying to do. Well, on 50-minute time frame, let's see what 50-minute time frame is trying to tell us. This is break of structure. This is the sell here. 50-minute time frame is telling us we are selling, we are selling, we are selling from here. And let's see what the market has for us. On 1 hour time frame, we are having buy from here. On BTC also, on 1 hour time frame BTC, we are having buy from here also. That block. And we are having buy from here. So this is what I'm seeing on the market. Seriously, let's see what is happening. God, my leg. So let's see what is happening on USDT. Let's see the opportunity that is happening on USDT. Yep. This is USDT. You can see what the opportunity is happening. Let's see what is happening on USDT. Let's just wait and focus. You gotta be focused seriously. Because this is what's happening. Aftermarket will get this, but this is what is happening. This is where the seller enter. So let's see the buyer is going to enter. Remember, so this is what I'm saying in the trade. So don't forget, my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. You already know this is what we analyze the market, we react to the market, we do not predict the market. So thanks, peace and love. Have a successful day ahead and have a profitable, successful in your trading and in any other skills you are doing. Peace and love. Have a grateful day. Thanks.